Hey guys, it's Ashley with Bigger Than the Three of Us. Welcome to the first video room reveal, and this space that we are talking about today is my formal dining room. It has come a long ways and I can't wait to share with you all the changes we've done. So when we first moved in, the space had carpet and the built-ins were cream. So first things first is we painted the wall because that's cheap, and we painted the built-ins and the crown molding, and that took forever, but it was super helpful in getting us to a blank slate in the space. And so we lived with that for quite a few years. So Luke and I put up the shibori wallpaper ourselves, and it's a super easy DIY. I have a whole tutorial for you guys on my site, but definitely gave us a great look for the space and wasn't hard at all. Then we just added layers. I started layering the rug, the decor items. Every few months I would change things up. I would actually find something that would work, and then I got closer and closer to the space that it is now. The carpet tiles are from Floor. They allow you to create different rug sizes for your rooms. And then over that I layered a vintage rug that I sourced on eBay. I am a huge lover of vintage rugs, so if you don't know that, you need to come to my site because I share exactly how to find the best vintage rugs for your space and how to find affordable ones. The black chairs are like $25 chairs off Overstock. The brown ones are vintage. I did do a post on how to recover vintage chairs, so that's something else you can check out. It's an easy project, take you about 30 minutes per chair, and will give you a fresh new look. The planters are from Crate & Barrel, and I have my favorite, a Philly Fig in one, and it just loves its space. One of my favorite pieces in this whole room is my Highland Cow painting. I have a huge love of Scotland, and then after a trip a couple years ago, my husband painted it for me for Christmas. So many people loved it that we decided to make prints. So we sell prints of this Highland Cow at Society 6. The bar cart gets a lot of use in our dining room. It's not really styled. We love it. We use it all the time, and I'm happy to have a spot for our bar cart. The china cabinet was a built-in when we moved in, and to be honest, I did not love it, but it's grown on me. So I really hope you love this space, and if you want to see more of this space or you want to see exact sources where to buy things, visit my blog and click Shop My Home.